Myself and 2 other Young Living members came to Cambodia to really see what Hope for Justice is doing.
I was a bit overwhelmed by the good that was going on.
I wanted to see the girls' faces and get to meet them and love on them myself.
Hope for Justice is so effective because they have such a thoughtful approach to reintegrating victims back into society. It's really important that they have some training so that they don't end up back in a bad situation.
Which actually helps them move on to a university after the Shine School.
And they don't reintegrate them until they are full-on ready and they have taught them about the career that these girls want to move into, or they've reintegrated them into their family after the family has been educated and they feel like the family is a safe place for the child to go back to.
That means that these kids can leave their pasts behind them.
Hope for Justice has 3 different facilities here in Phnom Penh. And the first one is the Lighthouse. This is a very short-term facility. Whether they go back home, whether they go onto the dream home, whether they go into a foster system.
And then the next thing we did is we visit the dream home where the girls are placed long-term once they've been rescued.
And they're just really happy there. You can tell they form really good bonds and relationships.
The Shine School, they bring the girls in, assess kind of where they are in their education level, and work to get their education back.
We participated in a sports day with the girls.
We
had the opportunity to teach workshops. We taught workshops on essential oils. We taught workshops on yoga.
As we stood in Warrior One pose, I gave them some Valor oil, and they were able to just breathe in that posture. And then they repeated, I am brave, I am strong. I am brave, I am strong.
After being here in Cambodia as a Young Living member and personally donating money to the foundation, it just gives me great confidence the money that we are donating is actually going to a great and worthy cause.
And they understand that because somebody else on the other side of the world believes in them, that's why they have the opportunity they do.
They are creating leaders in this, and that's the piece that has just floored me from watching this work, is how you can take someone who's become so broken by such terrible and tragic circumstances, and you not only bring them back to life, but you're able to help them lead others